Hello, my name's Jordan, and Sam from Explore Your Senses has very kindly asked me to look at and review some of her sensory items. This is the Messy Time Fun Kit, filled with lots of different sensory elements for the perfect messy play. This is Lab Goo, metallic rainbow slime, oozy, colourful rainbow goodness. This is Pluffle. It's glittery and moves with motion, yet it has a dry texture. Totally mesmerising. Use your scoops to manipulate it and watch it move all on its own. Squish it up into a ball and what happens? It will fall right out of your fingers. Once you've finished, it's an easy tidy up. This is Happy Senso. Squirty foamy gel that makes a lovely crackling noise. It's cool and wet to the touch. Great for sensory stories. This is Instant Snow. Simply pour out the powder onto your tray, then add water. The snow will grow right in front of your eyes. This snow feels and works like the real stuff, beautifully powdery and cool. This is great for winter play. You can even make snowballs with it. This is Smelly Jelly Bath. Pour the powder onto your tray, then add water and watch the gel form. It has a wonderful floral scent. It feels wet to the touch. You can form shapes with it before it crumbles up in your hands. Hours of fun. Motion sand is clever stuff. When you handle it, it feels and works like wet sand, though when left it oozes and falls.